Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about what is Medium, how does it work, and is it worth it for authors to still write on Medium? Watch all the way through to the end of the video because we're about to dive in. Okay guys, let's talk about how Medium works. First of all, to sign up for Medium, you go to this website, medium.com/creators. It's right up on the screen. You can check it out there. If you scroll down, you can click on this button right here that says Join the Medium Partner Program. And then you get to this next page that tells you a little bit about being enrolled in the partner program. So I am enrolled in the Medium Partner Program, and I can already start writing. If you're not there yet, then you're just going to have to answer some questions, fill out some tax form information. It took me about 10 or 15 minutes max to sign up. It was super simple and intuitive. I have no doubt that you can do it easily. Now here's how Medium works though. You sign up to be a writer, you publish content, and then when paid members, when they read and engage with your articles, then you get paid. In the Medium lingo, there's something called claps. You can think of those kind of like Facebook likes. That's kind of what they are. They're a way for the reader of Medium, reader of your articles, to let you know and let Medium know that they liked your content. Now, claps is how you get paid. So that's the most important thing you want, is lots of good claps. Now, claps can be worth a little bit of money or a lot of money depending on what the readers do and how many claps they give your article, how many claps they give lots of articles or different articles that they read. So claps can give you different amounts of money, but the main deal is you want claps. That's how you get paid. And by the way, Medium pays you monthly and they direct deposit into your checking account. Part of the setup is entering in your checking account information or your debit card or credit card information. Now, if you are in the US, you can, or about 23 other countries that this is available, you can go through Stripe, which is their payment partner, and through Stripe, you'll get paid, and that payment will be put into your checking account once a month if you earn anything. So you can see there's a lot that you can do with the site. You can obviously, after you sign up, you can get in, you can create a news story, put your title, add images. It's super simple. It's like click, drag, and drop, publishing, and it makes it look really, really nice. You can even import your articles that you've already written on your blog or from some other site. And what's really neat is that Medium will also put a little tag on your imported articles so that you don't get any kind of deduction or any kind of hit for duplicate content. So that's all taken care of. You don't have to worry about that, and you can make money by reposting existing content. In fact, some people, that's all they do. Now, probably the most important thing you can do when you're writing on Medium.com is to write about topics that people are actually searching for. It's going to be really tempting to write about tips and tricks and just things that you're interested in. It's fine to write about that, but if you're looking to make a big impact on Medium.com, if you're looking to get a lot of views, get recommended, get a lot of those claps, and make more money, then only write about topics that people are actually searching for. Now, how do you find articles that people are actually searching for? Well, you go to Google and you start to type out certain questions into Google search bar. And as you do that, Google is going to auto-suggest other things that other people, lots of other people usually are searching for. So start to type out a question about a topic in your niche, or that's something that you are interested in and you want to talk about. But start to write those questions into Google search bar and wait for Google to finish the sentence or the question with auto suggest, and then pick one of those auto suggested questions and topics and write about that. It's an easy way to write about topics that people are actually interested in and will search for on Medium.com. Next, you definitely want to optimize your titles. You want shorter titles with trigger words. Sometimes these are called power words. You can go over to CoSchedule's headline analyzer. You can just Google that and it'll pull it right up, and type your title, your draft title, into that analyzer, that headline analyzer, and it will give you power words or tell you how your title is ranking with power words. Those are words that trigger emotion, like sadness, like glad, like dumb, and other words. Make sure that your titles are short, concise, and full of these kind of power or trigger words. You really want to optimize your images too so they get attention. You want to clear, crisp images that grab attention. One of the places I get lots of my images from is called Unsplash. It's royalty-free, really high-quality images. Check it out. Now you also want to optimize your posts so you get most out of them. So you want to be building your email list and giving a call to action at the end of your posts on Medium to join up to your email list. You can offer them something free for them to give you their email address, and you just send them that free product, that cheat sheet, or whatever it is value that you're going to give them in exchange for their email addresses. Make sure you're building your email list. That way, if Medium.com goes out of business, you still have your audience that you can email and contact. You can also put a limited amount of affiliate links into your Medium post. Now, don't overdo that. Don't get spammy and salesy. It's better to come at it sideways in a sense, to soft sell it, and to just put a little link in there and tell people why they should go to that link without overselling it. Don't write a whole post just to sell a product. Write a post that has great content and great value, a post that people want to know about, and then insert an affiliate link in there if it makes sense to do so. Now, you also want to optimize your language. You want to have concise sentences of about 12 to 15 words. You want your language, your word choice, to be simple at about a 6th grade level seems to be best. By the way, Mission.com did a research survey of over 10,000 plus data points, and they found out that these concise sentences worked best. They got more views, they got more recommendations, they got more claps. You also want your post to be about 6 to 7 minutes of read time. Now, the average reader will read about 275 words per minute. So if you average that out and do the math, you want your blog post to be about somewhere between 1,605 words and 1,925 words. The other thing that you want to do is don't publish on Mondays. Publish Tuesdays and Saturdays. If you're consistent on Medium.com, you'll make a much bigger splash, get more views, get more followers, and have a much more likelihood of making a better monthly income. Well, guys, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel. Go ahead and like this video, and also just click that little bell button so you know every time that I upload new content. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you at the next one.